All right, darling, what is your name?
I'm Lucy. Hi.
Hi, thank you for agreeing to come and talk to us a minute. Tell me how you're feeling at this event tonight.
I feel really great. It's been great atmosphere. Obviously, beautiful place as well. And yeah, I just feel really inspired by being kind of amongst friends, amongst loads of women, and sharing experience and their kind of business idea. So yeah, it's been amazing so far.
That's beautiful. How did you find out about the event? What inspired you to join?
So I'm actually here with my boyfriend, who has been nominated for Global Man of the Year Awards. So feeling very proud of him, and that's kind of how I got to know about Global Women's Club, and then read up a bit more about it. And yeah, here I am.
I'm so grateful you're here. So, what do you feel, if you don't know yet, what makes Global Women special?
I feel it's the kind of it's the friendship, kind of the being united together as women, and kind of being able to support one each other, whether it's through experiences, business, or just have someone to chat to and relate to. So yeah.
Lovely. Now, if you had a message for women globally, what would that message be?
Just keep being yourself, and just support each other.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.